5 seconds. Start. Leave granted. This appeal is directed against the judgment and order dated 31/5/2007 passed by the High Court of Delhi in MAC number 986 of 2006, whereby and whereunder an appeal preferred by the first respondent herein under section 173 of the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988, bracket open, for short, single inverted comma, the act, single inverted comma, close, bracket close, was allowed. Stop. Next para. Appellant filed an application before the Motor Vehicles Accidents Claims Tribunal praying for payment of compensation for the death of her husband Praveen Kumar Gupta, who was traveling in a private Indica car driven by his friend Shri Avtar Singh. Stop. Shri Ankit and Shri Rajendra Jindal, bracket open, the deceased, bracket close, were returning from Agra after attending some business promotion work. Stop. The accident took place as the said car ran into a tree. Stop. Praveen Kumar Gupta and Rajendra Jindal died on the spot. Stop. Ankit suffered injuries. Stop. Before the learned tribunal, one of the questions which was raised is as to whether a passenger in a car which was being driven negligently would be covered by the policy of insurance. Stop. The learned tribunal, applying the principle of res ipsa loquitur, opined that Sri Avtar Singh was driving the car rashly and negligently. Stop. Having regard to the income tax returns filed by the deceased, the learned tribunal arrived at the finding that his annual income was rupees 1,87, 500. Stop. In view of the age of the deceased and the children having attained the age of majority, multiplier of 13 was applied in determining the amount of compensation. Stop. Upon deducting one third of the annual income towards personal use from his annual income, the total amount of compensation, thus, was arrived at in the following terms. Stop. First respondent preferred an appeal there against. Stop. The question raised before the High Court was as to whether the deceased, having been travelling as a gratuitous passenger in a private car, would fall within the meaning of third party and, thus, would be covered by the statutory policy under section 147 of the Act. Stop. The learned judge noticed that the policy was double inverted comma begin private car package policy double inverted comma close as notified by the tariff advisory committee with effect from 1/7/2002, the terms and conditions whereof are semicolon double inverted comma begin section second liability to third party subject to the limits of liability as laid down in the said schedule hereto, the company will indemnify the insured in the event of an accident caused by or arising out of the use of the vehicle against all sums which the insured shall become legally liable to pay in respect of colon first point death of or bodily injury to any person including occupants carried in the vehicle, bracket open, provided such occupants are not carried for hire or reward, bracket close, but except so far as it is necessary to meet the requirements of Motor Vehicles Act, the company shall not be liable where such death or injury arises out of and in the course of the employment of such person by the insured. Stop. Second point. Damage to property other than property belonging to the insured or held in trust or in the custody or control of the insured. Stop. Double inverted comma close. Next para. It was furthermore opined that the object and purpose of section 146 and 147 is that policy of insurance should cover liability in respect of death or bodily injury of a person including owner of the goods or its authorized representative who may be carried in a goods vehicle oblique carriage as defined in section 2 within bracket 14 of the act. Stop. Next paragraph. The learned judge, however, having regard to several decisions of this court, in particular UP State Road Transport Corporation versus Trilok Chand, 1996 within bracket 2 triple R 718 colon bracket open 1996 bracket close 4 scale 22 colon within bracket 1996 for SCC 362 bracket close has also various other decisions including New India Assurance Company versus Kalpana and others, 2007 within bracket 1 RCR within bracket civil 772 colon 2007 within bracket 1 RAJ 410 colon bracket open 2007 to scale 227 bracket close opined that appropriate multiplier to be adopted was 10. Stop. On the aforementioned premise, loss of dependency was determined at rupees 187,500 per annum. Stop. The learned judge further apportioned 2/3 as labor input, that is personal input of the deceased in business and treated 1/3 as yield from the capital asset, loss occasioned due to death of the deceased was held to be rupees. Stop.